Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, fisher folk and other residents who depend on the river in Zephyton, Linstead, St. Catherine have been dealt a blow after a fish kill occurred in the community. The dead fish were observed in a tributary which leads to the Rio Cobre. This morning, residents told TVJ News that for more than a week, there has been a sewage-like odor, and on the weekend, dead fish were seen in the river. Now, Sherita Thomas says the stench is making the residents' lives unbearable.
This river, it runs behind the Ocherios bus stop out by Zephyton here.
Yeah.
And we have been facing these challenges more than one time. This has been happening over a week now. And we can't even come outside. The scent is so bad. Even when you're out on the roadside, you're smelling it. So we have to lock up in the house in the night time, especially when the breeze blow. That's when the scent come up more.
What you observe in the river?
A lot of dead fishes.